Hello, my name is Dr. Parag Mahajan and I am the principal author of this article titled First Report of MRI Findings in a Case of an Atto-Amputated Wandering Calcified Ovary. Abstract: An atto-amputated wandering calcified ovary (AWCO) is an extremely rare cause of abdominal calcification in the pediatric population. We present the magnetic resonance imaging features of AWCO in a child. To our knowledge, the MRI features of AWCO have not been previously described in the published literature. Our case report indicates that the MRI findings are characteristic in the diagnosis of an AWCO and can completely obviate the need for invasive procedures in this mostly benign disease. An AWCO should be considered in all cases of mobile calcific opacities on radiographs in female patients. We advise that MRI be conducted in all suspected cases of AWCO for accurate and non-invasive diagnosis, and regular follow-up should be performed with ultrasound. The findings in our case report have the potential to change the course of investigations and management in suspected cases. Abdominal plain X-rays showing an oval calcific opacity. Abdominal plain X-rays showing an oval calcific opacity as shown by arrow A in the left pelvic area, which migrated towards the midline in the next abdominal plain X-ray obtained after a week. Axial computed tomography scan bone window image showing oval calcification arrow in the right adnexa. Axial short T1 inversion recovery magnetic resonance image follows, which shows absent right adnexa and blunt ending right fallopian tube. Note the blunt ending right fallopian tube, black arrow. Normal left ovary is noted, white arrow. Axial fat suppressed T1 wetted image showing oval hyperintense lesion with thick central calcification in the left adnexa, arrow. Note peripheral hyperintensity on the T1 wetted image can be due to methemoglobin or calcification. Sagittal post-gadolinium contrast T1 wetted fat suppressed image shows non-enhancing calcified oval lesion, arrow, in the left adnexa. In conclusion, the MRI findings are characteristic in the diagnosis of an AWCO and they can completely obviate the need for laparoscopy in this benign condition. An AWCO should be suspected in all cases of mobile calcific opacities on radiographs in females. We advise that MRI be performed in all suspected cases of AWCO for accurate and non-invasive diagnosis, and that regular follow-up with ultrasound be performed. The findings in our case report have the potential to change the management of AWCO in suspected cases. Thank you for your attention.